Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna. I hope all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva, how to get started till creating a design and many more. And if you've not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share. And in today's video, you all are going to learn about how to create a ebook cover. So without wasting much time, let us all move to that Canva platform. So again, I'm sharing my screen. So here we go. So here, what we are supposed to do is in the create a design option at the right hand end corner, just click the button create a design. And here you can write ebook cover. So book cover, ebook cover. So whichever you want, you can use it. Now I'm going to click on ebook cover. So I have clicked, that has a standard size. So that will be very convenient for us if we are going to use the standard size of the ebook. So here we go. We have got the template here, blank canvas here. Now we are going to go for the template. Now again, it is with lot of templates available, free templates available. Now, if your book is about a story book for children's story book, for example, and it will give wonderful templates. All are ready-made templates. For example, let us create this. Now, you got a wonderful template for your book. Either you can go here, and in case if your storybook's name is Untold Story of the Heaven, for example, you can type here your title of the book. Now, here it is the author's name. You can write here your name. Author's name is Aruna Suresh. Come on, done. Now you want this to be font more, a little bit more bigger. You can go here, and then you want it a little bit artistic. Now you can go for any style font. Got it? Let me choose this. So I've done. Now I can go for change of the color. If I want to change, I can go for this, or else I can go for a pink color, whichever you want, because it is a children book. So it should be more, colorful. Now let me choose this font and change the color. Color changed. Done. Now here you can see the color change here. Now I want this author to be down. I can shift and put. Now, if I want this part, maybe this part more colorful, I can go to click and edit photo. Yes, you can go here and you can choose any color, anything you want to change. Or else you want to change it completely, you can go to elements. Flower landscape. I mean, I'm just choosing, I'm selecting, I'm doing some changes. Okay, let us see how things work, right? So here we can go for I need this to be a little bit more colorful. So I'm going to delete this, and I am going to pick this, and I'm going to put a drag, and I'm going to drop it here. Now this has become a little bit different. Now, if you want this girl to be changed, again, you can click a button, and then you can go for a different landscape, and you can click it, drag it, and you delete this. Now, bring it down, and you can go for like this. Now, when the background also you want to match it, you can choose the color from here, and the document color is available. Whichever color you want, you can go for it. It is not looking good, you can go for it, or else you can make it a little bit darker color. It is again not looking good, so you can go for this simple color. You can, or else you can delete, elongate, and then you can place it here. You can put the title at the bottom so that this looks very good. Now, I want a small kid, so I can go to element, search for girl child carrying plus. Simple. Whatever you want, no, you can actually search for it and get it. Now, I think there are many good yeah, I'll go for a beautiful kid, small kid carrying flowers and untold story. This is how beautifully it is matching. So this is how you can create a ebook cover without any difficulties. Anything you want to change, anything, even the name, the font, and the color, the background, anything you want, you can. Even if I want to go for a better color background, I can go here and then see all the filters available, so that I can go for a better bright filter which will suit the picture. See, there are so many options available. I'm going to choose this one, which is cool. And I think, yeah, this is actually looking very good. Or else I can go for this also. This is also very good. So whichever is very, you feel aesthetic, then you need to go for it. You can change and check which one you are liking the most. I think I like this very, very much. So how this can be done is a simple task. Once you know the skills of Canva, you will be able to do anything and everything. I hope you liked this video, and also I think you all are benefited out of this. And thank you for watching. If you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you've not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching once again.